Goes through. They won't allow it. Up referee Romulo Reforzado says no. Coach Ramil checks with Coach Noel. Basketball, I believe that's Shivana Laput's mother also that is in front of Coach Topex. As we resume play here, Alinsug goes to the runway. That drops onto the line.
Correct. She always has to get that first touch.
What a long swipe there in that first set. They seem to have that set under control until that point in the end. Lamina to Alinsug, goes on top of the blockers. Was that a miss hit or was it a long hit?
Here in the second set. So she's trying to work around the block of LaSalle. A while ago she was trying. Because they were in the same situation nung set number 1.
Alinsug with a score.
Time for Vange Alinsug. And she hits it off Thea Gagate in the back.
Open to Aliyah. Sent back by Eliza. She will try again. Binitawan ng blockers. Eliza on the counter. Shoulder. Alinsug with no blocker is dangerous.
Power hit.
And then the errors too. Alinsug gets them to set point. 24-15.
Defense. Only registered 2 or 3 in this entire match.
Alinsug, airborne. And for Alinsug, that will be her 12th point. DLSU. Looping. Wow. I don't know how Alinsug was able to do that with a left hand too, but she pushes the ball.
That they were capable of winning even if all odds were against them. Just like how a chain is only as strong as its weakest link, in Shavana's words, one little doubt can bring the team down. We all have to make sure we have the confidence in our team that we're going to do well and beat NU. This report is brought to you by the Filipinas Live app. Download.
Alinsug from behind, dug by Malaluan. Oh, miscommunication between Coronel and De Leon. She averages 10.3, so she's right there. Lamina chases. Alinsug with the attack. Going for the Provido side. But credit LaSalle. This one's a better one. Oh, and Gagate misjudged it. Coronel chases, shoots it to the other side. Ardio was there. Balik na naman kay Alinsug. Alinsug adjusts. And she gets the point still. Her 18th, and more importantly for them, Solomon gets us going for this one. Back to Laput. Dug this time by Eliza. Dig pass to Alinsug, away from the net. Soreño. Ardio was there. Lamina. Balik kay Vange. Vange tooling the block.
She had that advantage against Jane Soreño.
Here in the 4th, trying to force a 5th. It's a great set by Pono. For those who have not seen her. Ardio. Challenged. Ooh. That will drop in! The cut shot from Alinsug!
Mga players ng NU because they were waiting for that ball to drop on the sideline.
Just the right top spin, Neil. Set 4.
A race to 3.
With NU on offense. Alinsug again!
Oh!
And she pounds the pavement!
That is the money shot for Vange Alinsug.